Hey there folks, in this video I'm just going to review how to factor very quickly, or how to solve by factoring. Now this may not look exactly like the problem that you're working, but it's going to contain most of the components. The first thing you want to do is make sure you have everything on one side and that x squared is positive. Okay, so when you have x squared and x in a problem, you must factor to solve them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 18x to both sides. Now, there's nothing left over here, so this is 0. But over here, I can't add this with anything, so this is what I get. I get x squared plus 18x plus 45. Now, there's various methods to approach this. However, when there's no number in front of x squared, it is the simplest situation. Okay, I need numbers that multiply together to give me 45, but add together to give me 18. Well, so I could think of all the pairs that can give me 1 and 45. They give me 45. So 1 and 45, 3 and 15, 5 and 9. So I pick the pair that adds together to give me 18. In this case, it's 3 and 15. So I'm going to split this 18x up into 3 and 15. Now, at this step, this may look similar to one of your other problems that you're working on. Now, it does not matter that these have the same power or exponent to them. The approach is still going to be the same now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put parentheses around the first two items and the last two items. Notice that I put the sign in with the last pair. So now, both of these, I could take out an x. They both have an x. So what's left is x and then plus 3. Over here, both of these, I could take out a 5. Okay? And it's going to be a positive 5 because of that sign there. Actually, I could take out a 15. 15 will go into both of these. So, and over here I'm left with x, and then plus 45 divided by 15 is 3. This is my checkpoint. If these two parentheses are the same, I'm home free. I'm in good shape. So now, I'm just going to write down what's in the parentheses one time. Then I'm going to write down what's not in parentheses. X plus 15. Then equals 0. Okay. I'm done if there is no equal sign to this. Okay, I can stop right there. That is factored. Now, if it has equals, I set each of these equal to 0, and I solve. Little 1 or 2 step equation, no big deal. Subtract 3 from both sides. X equals negative 3. Over here, subtract 15. X equals negative 15. So, x equals negative 3 or x equals negative 15 because it can't be more than one number at the same time. So that's why it's or. Okay? Now, you may have a more complicated problem to solve. Okay? So, this is my approach to that. Okay? Now, in a problem like this, okay, I have, there's a number in front of x squared. Now, whatever you do, no matter what the situation, you need to see, can you divide all three numbers by the same thing? If you can, you must do it. And then there's a good chance the method I've already shown you will work. However, if you can't take out anything, then we have to try this. And I really like this. Okay? So I'm going to do 3 times 8. That gives me 24. So, now I need numbers that multiply together to give me 24, but add together to give me 14. Now, clearly, 1 and 24 does not give me 14. 2 and 12 might, 3 and 8 might, and so might 4 and 6. But it's relatively easy to see that 2 and 12 do. So, I'm just going to split this 14x up into 2 and 12. Okay, 2x plus 12x gives me 14x, so I'm done. Okay, I'm in good shape. So now I'm going to do what I've already done. I'm going to add my parentheses. Now I'm going to take out what I can from each group. Both of these have an x, so I'll take out an x. Nothing goes into 3 and 2. Oh well. So, I took away 1x. It had 2 to start with, so there's still 1 left over. I took away an x, so it doesn't have an x anymore. Over here, 4 will go into both 12 and 8. Okay? And because it was plus, it's going to be plus 4. So that's 3x. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 8 divided by 4 is 2. I look at my parentheses. They are the same. So I know I'm in good shape. So I'm going to copy what's in parentheses. Copy what's not in parentheses. And I'm done. Well, I hope this helps you out, and have a great rest of your day. Bye now.